Hi parents! This week we're going to ask your child to read to us on Raz Kids and record their reading so that we can listen to them at home and give you feedback. You find their child name underneath me, Hayes McGratsky, and you sign in. Our passwords are 00 and their classroom number. Once you have gotten into Raz Kids, go to the books and pick a book. As you can see on the top, there are some icons. We want the icon that is the microphone that says recorder. You press on that microphone and some other icons will come up. This red one with the circle will record. You simply press the recording. A bad movie. A bad movie. We all sat wide-eyed without daring to move. We could almost feel the hot breath of a terrible four-headed serpent as it stalked its prey. When you're done, you'll stop the recording and play to listen back. We ask that you let them read the book by themselves cold so that we can hear how they use their strategies to figure out the words that they don't know. Obviously, don't let your child struggle. If they need help, you can help them. But for the most part, let's hear how they do it on their own. Also, I just wanted to show you that this little notebook here, you can write some reflections. So I wrote a reflection for a book that I read before. Take a look at it. And I read about bees. So you can add reflections for each book that you read. And then they'll be here and I can go in and take a look and see the books that they liked. They can go back and read the books again that they liked or tell a friend. And that is it. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks and have a great day.